Harman retained his 5-stroke lead on the field after another set of 18 holes at Royal Liverpool on moving day. Royal Liverpool did not provide a warm welcome both the golf course and gallery alike, but Brian Harman ultimately had the last laugh walking off the 18 at green Saturday evening at the 151 Cent Open Championship. Stepping on the first tee with his overnight lead trimmed to 4, the 36-hole pace setter stumbled, then surged his way to 12 under and a 5-stroke edge heading into Sunday's deciding final round in Hoylake, England. The rain and windy conditions many expected were nowhere to be found, setting up a moving day filled with birdies and movement on the leaderboard. Heavy hitters John Ram, Victor Hovland and Cameron Young made their marks weaving through the peloton to position themselves for one last sprint on Sunday. The only problem is the race leader is not a member of the pack and remains well out in front.